now we're in, we are currently in WordPress. We're going to take a quick tour. I've now clicked on the logo. This is the sites that I can manage. I've only currently got one site. There's a checklist that they're going to build so that you can see how far you're going or how far you've gone. Next steps, selecting a design. We've already done it. Choosing a plan. Already done that. We're going to give our site a name, write my first post, edit the site design if I want, launch the website, okay? Other things that we can do here is edit the site, write posts, add pages. I can actually point a domain to this one. I can manage other domains and then hit the WordPress administrative dashboard. We can change our theme. We can look at plugins that will add functionality, as well as we can access some other third-party items that allow me to either get a logo or get a logo made by an AI generating thing. A lot of that stuff is also over here in this black sidebar, okay? Other functions that you see here is you see the ability to own a specific domain. As we said in class, we're going to be using the stylist, in this case, salemhairstylist.wordpress.com. But you can start searching for domains in here, writing things like, for example, you can have prompts that will encourage you what to write about. Looking for inspiration, just feel free to explore this page. From this page, we're going to do several things over here in this left-hand bar. We're going to look at posts. Primarily, we're going to look at pages, but I would like for us to first start at this top bar. So again, if I click here at the white bar, and then I want to get back to where I was, I just click, click the wrong thing, click checklist, and it takes me back here, okay? Again, if I click the WordPress, you can look at domains, themes, and plugins. If I go to site title, this actually takes you to preview your website. So if I go here, I can, again, site title, I can look at the dashboard, plugins, themes, and menus. The dashboard, that takes us back where we were. This add new, this is probably where we're going to spend a good bit of our time, either in the add new, post, media, or pages. We're not going to worry about adding a new user. That would be where you own a website and you need to have somebody else that can manage or edit your website. That would be either be you and a partner for your business. That would be you and the owner or website manager at the business. If you're doing it for a client, or if you own the business, it might be somebody else in your business, okay? And then launch site, we're not going to do that right now. I would just go ahead and say explore some of these. You've got help topics that you can search through here. It's a great place to explore and learn about WordPress. I will tell you that you probably should look on YouTube for WordPress tutorials. There's a great deal that will get you deeper into the WordPress ecosystem, into finding plugins or extensions, things that make you that add function to your WordPress website. But for now, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about, well, let's just go for, let me close this out. Let's look at this checklist real quick. Let's give our site a name. And here it's just got site title. I'm going to call this Salem Hair Stylists. And I'm going to say making you look great. All right. Choose a site icon. I'm not going to worry about that right now. We could, you can actually upload an icon if you'd like. Feel free to. Fiverr has a logo maker. And the WordPress website address is going to be salemhairstylist.wordpress.com. Again, we're going to use this as our free testing launching location. You can change this and move it to a permanent domain name later on. Time zone, you can set it to New York because that's the time zone we're in. And date format. Feel free to explore some of these. Time format. You know, what days does your week start on? Hide the action bar on the front end of the site. Let's learn more about the action bar. So this is a great way for you to say, hey, I need to learn things about WordPress. The next thing is classic style. Use WordPress admin to manage your site. Default style, use WordPress.com's native dashboard. We're going to stick with the defaults. Again, continue feeling free to explore every bit of these dashboards. The more you learn about this, the better you will get at managing your own website. At this point, I'm just going to save the changes, but if you make changes, remember, if you want to revert those changes back to the original, just go back over here to settings and then change them back, okay? So I'm going to click Save Changes. That's going to refresh the page, and you'll get this notification saying that the settings have been changed, updated, and saved. Okay, so now my website is called Salem Hairstylist, and you can see that that reflects up here where it says Salem Hairstylist. Again, you can visit the website, but we're not going to for now. All right, with that said, let's, in the next page, or in the next video, we're going to talk about adding pages and looking at all of our pages. So go through this, try this out, explore around, and feel free to bring questions on Monday. See you Monday.